Hi students, welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand Idumudi Shorthand instructor. For this shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. I am offering general and legal dictations for all shorthand grades. Get ready for the dictation on the topic of PM Modi to reply to no confidence motion today in Lok Sabha. If you really feel that this dictation can help you in the competitive examinations, please click the like button, share the video and make a comment. This dictation passage link and the crucial links are given in the description box. Get ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to address the Lok Sabha on Tuesday in response to the opposition's no confidence motion against the NDA government. Defense Minister confirming the MP's presence at the Parliament on Wednesday said the PM will be present in the House on Thursday to reply to the no confidence motion. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister also confirmed that the Prime Minister will be present in the House on Thursday to reply to the no confidence motion. The opposition moved a no confidence motion against the Modi government on July 26, which was accepted by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. However, the Modi government won't lose the vote as his BJP has a majority in the Lok Sabha. Any Lok Sabha MP who has the support of 50 colleagues can at any point of time introduce a motion of no confidence against the Council of Ministers. Thereafter, a discussion on the motion takes place. MPs who support the motion highlight the government's shortcomings and the Treasury bench's response to the issues they raise. Ultimately, voting takes place, and if the motion is successful, the government is forced to vacate the office. Notably, the NDA has a commendable majority with a number of 331 MPs, out of which the BJP has 303 MPs, while the combined strength of the opposition bloc India is 144. The numbers of unaligned party MPs are 70 in the lower house. This is the second time Prime Minister Narendra Modi is facing a no confidence motion. One of the Congress MP on Tuesday initiated the debate on the motion, which later turned into a heated argument between the opposition and the centre. According to the revised list of business, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Ministry of Law and Justice, and Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region to lay the papers on the table in the Rajya Sabha. One member to make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 336 report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment, Forest and Climate Change on demands for grants pertaining to the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology. Another member to make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 313th report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on transport, tourism and culture, on promotion of Indian tourism in overseas markets, role of overseas tourist offices and Indian embassies pertaining to the Ministry of Tourism. Meanwhile, to move for leave to introduce a bill to regulate the appointment, conditions of service and term of office of the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, the procedure for transaction of business by the Election Commission and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Also, to introduce the bill and to move that the bill to repeal certain enactments and to armed an enactment as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Union Health Minister will move the bill further to amend the Pharmacy Act 1948 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Moreover, according to the list of business in Lok Sabha, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Power, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ministry of Ayush to lay the papers on the table in the Lok Sabha. Furthermore, Arjun to move that the bill further to amend the Advocates Act 1961 as passed by the Raj Sabha be taken into consideration and also moved to be passed. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you really feel that this dictation can help you in the competitive examination, please click the like button, share the video and make a comment. Small note: grammar locks, contractions, special contractions, phrases, advanced phrases and special list of words needs to be written once in every 15 days, and then only you will get a better speed in stenography. Thank you.